Hello friends, welcome to Bliss Life Tarot. I'm doing all signs, their current feelings for you for the next 24 hours, next 24 to 48 hours. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Please leave a comment below in my video if you want to do me a specific kind of reading, individual reading, career reading or you versus them reading. Please let me know in the comment box. So let us start with the reading. First sign, Aries. So your partner has a lot of options and you are the one who is standing out in that, but they are still contemplating whether they should give into this relationship, whether they should put in effort, whether they will get the equal amount of reciprocity from you or not. But they are definitely seeing you as one of the best option to have some commitment in the relationship. Okay. Taurus. Your partner, they are overcoming the sad feeling that you are not putting in your effort into the relationship, but they are sorting some sort of clarity, logical clarity over this relationship, that where you both stand in this relationship, but they were upset about your lack of equal give and take, emotional equal give and take in this relationship, but now they are sorting some sort of emotional clarity, logical clarity in the relationship. Gemini. Your partner is overcoming heartbreak from the past, either from you or their past relationship, but feels more like you. But they are still not being open to you, or they are being mystical to you, because they are till now they are sour about their heartbreak, but they are slowly and surely they are coming out of that heartbreak, but they are not opening up to you. Cancer. Okay, so your partner is trying to come forward to you in this relationship, have end all be all with you. They are expecting that your relationship, there is fulfillment in your relationship, but they have some sort of doubt regarding this, but they do want to move forward in this relationship and have it all with you. Leo. Okay, so your partner is trying to have some sort of communication with you, but they are trying to avoid that communication. Either this or another scenario could be that you are trying to communicate with your partner, but they are trying to sneak out of this conversation. It feels more like the second scenario, that you are trying to have some sort of communication regarding this relationship, but they are just trying to sneak out of this communication regarding this relationship. Virgo. So your partner is trying to send you an emotional message and trying to reconcile with you, but it is a Page of Cups, so they're trying to have minimal showing of their emotion. They don't want to reveal it all, but in their mind they want to reconcile with you. Next we have Libra. Libra, 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 Libra. Okay, so your partner, they are avoiding some sort of disconnect with you. They wanted to walk away from you, but they are not. They have dropped down the decision, but they are still holding on to their emotions for you. Like, they are not revealing it to you, but they are being stingy in revealing their emotions for you. But they wanted to walk out of the relationship, but now they are not walking out of the relationship. Either this, or they had walked out of the relationship and now they are coming towards you, but they are being skeptical about their feelings to be shown to you. Now we will go to Scorpio. Scorpio, 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 Scorpio. Okay, so your partner is in crossroads. They are indecisive about something, and they are trying to avoid a logical conversation with you. Or they are in a crossroads, or instead of them communicating with you about where this relationship stands, they are expecting a logical conclusion or a message from your end. Sagittarius, 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 Sagittarius. Okay. Your partner thinks that it is yet not over between you two, and there can be some sort of higher commitment between you two, but they are not being open about it. But they do feel that it is not over between you two, and oh, there are two major arcanas. Nice. So they have strong feeling that this connection between you and them, it is not yet over, and that there is a higher level of commitment between you two, but they are not opening up about that. There is some sort of heartbreak because of which they are not opening about that about it. Capricorn, 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 Capricorn. So your partner is in and out of this connection with you. Like the communication is really on and off with your partner, because they are trying to avoid some sort of disaster, some sort of argument with you, or some sort of break in this relationship. So they are just trying to avoid some sort of disaster in the future, and this is why the communication is going on and off with your partner. Aquarius, 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 Aquarius. So your partner is obsessively attached to you. They have romantic and sexual feeling towards you, but they are obsessively attached to you. Either this could be you or your partner, but feels more like your partner's energy, and they want to tell this to you, that they want a fresh beginning in this relationship. It could be a past person returning to you, or your present person opening up about their feelings, romantic feelings towards you. Pisces, 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 Pisces. So your partner is no longer waiting, and they are trying to have a step forward in this relationship, because they think that you are their wish fulfillment, and you are their 10 of Pentacles. Like, you are everything that they could possibly ask for in a relationship. So they are no longer waiting for it, and they are trying to take a step forward in this relationship, so that they can have it all with you. Thank you for today's video. Friends, kindly like, share and subscribe my channel. Please leave a comment if you want a specific kind of video, and I'll come tomorrow. Thank you.